most famous physical therapist on the internet.
Hi, folks. I'm Bob Short, physical therapist.
Brad Heineck, physical
Together
therapist.
we are the most famous physical therapists on the internet.
In our opinion, of course.
I always
Bob.
feel like we should have some way to include Alex in that introduction.
Well,
but-
he's going to get included. Everyone
All
notices
right.
Alex.
Today we're going to talk about power squats at home. No weight needed. Wow, you're really proclaiming a lot there, Brad.
I'm really excited about this one because I've been doing it lately. I like it, and there's a lot of benefits. And
it's
we're gonna
easy
get into that
It's
just
easy to
shortly.
set up for an inexpensive amount.
Exactly
So,
right.
By the way, if you're new to our channel, please take a second to subscribe to us. We provide videos on how to stay healthy, fit, pain-free, and we upload every day. Also, you're going to want to join us on our social media channels and our website, bobandbrad.com, because once again, we're giving away the Sleep Ovation mattress.
This is a high-end mattress.
So go to the giveaway section or go to Facebook, Bob and Brad. Bob and Brad.
Bob and Brad.
So,
Now
and
the-
let's get another one
Now
here.
the important one here.
Now the important one, yeah.
And I'm giving away Bob and Brad if anybody
We're
wants.
going to help Alex and his wife's channel out.
That's right. Alex and his wife Liz,
Family
our
Product
camera woman.
Channel.
Family Product Channel, really cool. They do a lot of reviews of stuff that you're going to need in your life when you're raising a young family or an old family.
It's going to make your family life easier. You
There
don't
you
want to
go.
miss it.
There we go.
Okay, are you ready, Alex?
I'm ready, Brad.
Okay, before we get into, you just kind of get loosened up a little bit because
Yeah,
Alex.
my quads are a little sore from my
There you
last
go.
workout we had to do a couple days ago.
Alex has been helping us out with some of these exercise videos. We need someone young because this is a young and we're a little
Yeah,
older.
for us to talk and work out now, it's
Right.
getting tough to do.
So again, the title talks about power squats. I like that name. It's at home, and so many of us want to do exercises at home, but you may not have a lot of room at home, or you don't want to buy the iron, the barbells, the bench, all that stuff that goes along with it, because maybe in a year you won't be doing it anyways.
That's right.
Or you just you want to find options that are much more convenient. And
Right.
I think this is exactly the thing for you. Cost is minimal. The amount of space it takes is even less minimal. And they're great exercise, not only for the quads, the glutes, the shoulders, but Alex said, boy, this really takes a lot more balance.
Yeah, this is full body.
And
Yeah,
you're going to
yeah.
get some core workout
Sure.
in as
Yeah.
well. So everyone's kind of, what's going on? We're going to simply use this in the last 5 years. Banding has
Right.
become.
Exercise tubing with handles.
Yep. So,
Um,
and we need to find out a way to connect it to the floor at about ankle level. You can do it however you want. There's things you can get with it. We use the wall anchor because they're really handy to use.
We have those in our garage, Brad.
Right.
We
Yeah.
use them.
And I do have to mention, Brad, now normally with the wall anchor kit, you get 3, but if you go to our link below on the website, we're gonna throw an extra one in there, which you're gonna want to have because we're gonna be coming up with some things that you're gonna need that extra one,
Right,
like a
and-
pull-up bar and stuff like that. But
And this could be one of them.
yeah,
Now, what I'm going to show you, the nice thing about how the bands work is you can double them up, or actually for one of these is going to be a double system. And for the other one, for those people who really want more of a workout, you can see we got 4 bands and they all fit in the anchor very easily. So simply we're just going to put that in there like that, even them up. We're good to go. Alex, are you ready for
I'm
the
ready.
power
All right.
squat?
I'm ready.
So you're going to face away from the wall and assume the position, Alex.
Assume the position
So he's going to get a wide stance
for balance.
for balance
Right.
as stability. Like
'Cause
a
it's
football
gonna pull
player.
you back.
Well, yeah. I
Now-
lost my balance a few times practicing here.
Yeah, so it's good for that. Now, Alex, you can't see it on the camera, but Alex has excellent body posture here. His back is arched.
Yep,
He's
nice
in
and
an
straight.
athletic stance, and he's feeling strong. His head is up. He's looking up towards the ceiling, and he's going to use the resistance. Go ahead, Alex. Just go down. Now, this is not like using a barbell. It's
Right.
not as complete as that, but
Right.
again, if you're the average person who wants to stay in shape, this is
Right.
going to do more.
This will give you plenty.
Plenty, believe
Yeah.
me. Al, you keep going until you get to 10, and we'll just watch. But Alex is doing a nice job of breathing as he
One
puts the
thing,
the
in order to
pressure up.
maintain your posture, a lot of times you do want to keep the head up because as soon as you bring the head down, everything rounds out. So
Right.
this is, yep.
Yeah, we
That's
don't
right.
want that.
So,
What number are you on, Alex?
28.
yeah.
Have you been counting?
No.
Oh, all right. That's close enough.
Now,
About 10.
what I like to do is 3 sets of 10 when I do my resistance exercise. It's kind of one of those standards that has passed the
Sure. Test of time.
test of time. Now, there's another way that I do it, and you typically have to have less resistance. So that's why we have 2 bands on here. And I really like this one because it gives me a full body workout from the glutes, quads, back, and we're going to throw some shoulder and arm in there. So again, the same posture. Are you ready, Alex?
Ready.
Ready for what?
Ready for
Anything.
it.
There, he is strong like bull. Look
I'm
at
going to
this.
take a step away to make it a little harder.
All
Yeah.
right.
And that's the nice thing about the resistance. You can change it by where you're at. Now he's going to add the shoulders in there. The only thing, you know, as therapists, Bob and I were talking about this. If you're going to add the shoulders, it's going to get you a lot more tired. But if you have shoulder problems, a history of shoulder problems, you probably want to eliminate this and don't
Well,
do this.
I don't really want to go straight up. He's
Right.
going a little chest wise now too, so I think you're less likely to run into a
Right.
shoulder problem. But if you go up straight up like this, you're going to get impingement, or you
Right.
could.
Right.
But if you go straight out, he's fine.
Let's
You
throw
know,
in a calf raiser. Watch me hit the wall.
All right, here's going to go calf raise. Look at
yeah,
that.
and that's even works the calf and a little more balance. You feel
Yeah.
yourself tipping.
And my abs.
Yeah,
And,
there you
yeah, the core is really working. You got now, Alex. Are you getting a little tired?
I'm
Yeah,
getting fatigued.
Yeah,
you
it-
got
The
a full body
shoulders. I
workout.
really feel the shoulders.
yeah, and you can rest.
How old are you again? You don't even know, do you?
I got this wrong the other day. I was
Yeah,
29.
29. All right.
So again,
And
this
hold
is
it.
just complements the rest of my workout that I do with the other wall arguments at different levels. But ever since
nice
I've been
option.
doing this, it's like I'm burning some calories. I feel.
I bet you can dunk now.
Oh well, you know, Bob. I'm not.
I
sure
bet he
about
can get out of bed by himself.
That's right, there we go.
I'm happy with that. So very good.
All right.
I hope that you can make good
Make
use
good
of this
decisions.
information. Yeah.
Make good decisions.
Oh,
Thanks for
All right.
watching.
Thanks for
these guys.
watching.